Hey boss, here I have some honey. How shall I label it?
Another honey without the label? How can I afford that?
Did you ever have that problem? Well, not anymore. With the new sensory unit BME 688, you can take it and put it right on top of the honey, and it detects your honey type with a 99.8% accuracy. Do you want to learn more about it? Well, my pleasure to introduce to you one of the developers and their interviewer. Have fun!
Right, so what exactly is this?
It's a kind of artificial nose.
And how does this nose work?
We use 8 sensors with different profiles. They collect data simultaneously.
And how does this help identify the type of honey?
The data is processed on board using AI. The AI was trained with approximately 1 million measurements.
But how did you ensure the temperature stays consistent?
We developed and 3D printed a housing to reduce air circulation. However, it's still difficult to create perfectly stable conditions. That's why we also measure temperature, air pressure, and humidity. These factors are included as parameters in the AI.
Okay, and how well does it actually work?
We use 20% of the data for validation and we achieve 99.8% accuracy.
And in practical use, how long does it take to classify a honey variety successfully?
It depends, but ideally over an hour.
That sounds really innovative. Do you think your project could truly replace current methods?
In principle, we can classify honey very accurately. There are no recurring costs, the honey doesn't need to be sent anywhere, and no resources are consumed during analysis. We just need to add more honey variants to the database.